guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am taking you guys plant shopping with me. So if you watched a couple of videos before, I've done a couple of plant videos, and I swear that I need a shirt that says like Plant Lady Crazy because I love plants so much. So update you guys really fast. My plant tour, I had the gnat issue, and thank you guys so much for commenting on like what to do with gnats. But what I ended up doing is like one night I just went crazy. I couldn't live with them. I literally replanted every single plant I have, and it took like almost 2 hours, and it really helped the situation. I don't have any more gnats, but in the process of, I guess, replanting the plants, some of them didn't make it. So I think they were already kind of sick. Like in the video that I did my plant tour, you see that like a couple of them were like already struggling. So that was just like the final, you know, nail for them, nail in the coffin. Also, I'm hoping where we go today that the nursery, I'm looking at the time, sorry. The nursery can help me with what I want. So I have 2 plants that have been thriving and are beautiful, and I want to replant them because they're just like growing like crazy, and I don't want to take a chance and like replant them myself and then they don't live. I would just be devastated because they're so beautiful. So I'm hoping that the nursery can do that because they said they could last time I was there. So let's go ahead and get started on our way. Okay, we're here at the Great Outdoors, and I did bring Theo and Stella to get repotted or whatever, but I need to ask them like where they do that at. But I'm going to take you guys around and look at plants also because I love this place so much. Okay, so here's Theo, and Stella's like down here. Hi Stella. And they have these little carts, thank God, because they're kind of heavy, so I'm going to take these babies in and get them new little pots. So here it is, the entrance. It's just like really huge, and they have like super cute stuff. So here's, oh, this is like shrubs and stuff for outside. I actually have to use the bathroom, so the restroom's over here. They have a gift shop, so we can go in there for a little bit, and then I'll take you to my favorite place, which is like the greenhouse area. Oh wow, I love these right here. I love copper. I'm whispering because I don't know if anyone's here. Okay, I just left the bathroom, and they have all these planters. You could pick a planter if you want. I'm having 2 plants repotted, but I normally just keep them in the, like the little grow pots. Oh, but these are cute. Let's go to my favorite part of this place, which is the greenhouse. Or, yeah, I guess it's called the greenhouse. Oh my God, you guys. Dying, I have to look at this. This is literally life goals for me. I cannot keep a fiddle leaf fig alive, but this one is so expensive. It's gorgeous. I want one for my house, but first I have to learn how to take care of them. I really want a palm plant for my house. Oh, another gorgeous fiddle leaf fig. Sad that mine don't live. Oh. Okay, so this is a white, I don't know what this is, let me check. Oh yeah, so this is a white birds of paradise. It's $124. I bought one here actually for like $50 and I killed it, so I'm sad. Please don't water me, I like to be dry. Oh, I probably overwatered it, damn it. Here we go. Oh, this is where all the beautiful plants are. So normally when you're shopping for houseplants, you need to come to this area because these are the plants that can like survive indoors, is what I was told. So I bought a bunch of them here. And the staff's working. I hope they don't mind that I'm filming, but like Literally, this place is crazy. If you're ever in Austin and love plants, you have to come here. So gorgeous. I'll link it below for you guys. I might take some babies home today. I like this one. I don't know what it is. Oh, a lady palm. I mean, this place is just insane. Oh, I bought one of these and it died. Yeah, I had one of these and it died too. I'm going to take you guys to my other favorite area, which is the cactuses, or cacti. If it's one, it's cactus. If it's more than one, it's cacti. Someone told me. Thank you! Oh, here they are. Ah, it's so beautiful. But like, look how cute, you guys. I'm dying. I wanted one of these, but I don't know. See if they might give you. Theo and Stella have been replanted, and now I'm in the greenhouse again looking for a couple of plants to replace the ones that I killed. It's kind of hot in here. I'm like sweating. But I'm looking for plants that need low light, just because I feel like my house is a cave sometimes. This is what I'm looking at. I think these are really cute. I don't know the names. I can't say the names most of the time. But also, this one says that it needs like low light. So I'm hoping I can find something or a couple of babies to take home. Okay, I just paid. I only got this plant. I got a couple of planters. There's Theo and Stella and their new little plants, and I'm grabbing a cart. We're on our way home. Yay! It's already getting super hot, you guys. I'm like dying, but success. The trip was a success. I have the new babies here, and I'm about to load everything in my car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!